Or if you've ever had squeaks in your subfloor, maybe in your first floor, maybe in the second floor of your house, today we're going to show you what tools we're using and what fasteners we're using. I'm also going to show you the glues that we're using. If you're looking to build a healthy home, one that's low VOC and has Greenguard Gold certification, we're going to show you all that today, what we do to keep it from squeaking. So with that said, let's get going. Okay, so with your subfloors, what we like to do to keep them squeaks from happening is we like to make sure that we glue it and we screw it, okay? So the gluing and the screwing is what we have found that helps the best. So you can see here, this is just regular 3/4 inch OSB on this floor. The trusses are 12 inches on center, floor trusses underneath. So if you have a even thicker deck, this works even better. But this is 3/4 inch material. And with 3/4 inch material, what we like to use on here is I take, the first thing is we have this is for a healthy home. So if you're looking for something that's low VOC, let me set this down. I'll show you this tool here in a second. But this is a liquid nails product. It's their Subfloor and deck. Comes in a green tube, which helps you to see that it's actually kind of a green, healthy home product. Eliminates squeaky floors, bonds wet and frozen lumber, and it will go from 22 degrees to 120 degrees that this will work. So you got to make sure you're working above those temps or below those temps. And it's for interior and exterior construction adhesive. And if you look on the back of this, you'll see this Greenguard Gold certification. You come in close on it, you can see that. But that is the product that we're using. So when we apply this, we'll take a gun just like this, 28-ounce tube, and we're going to go down, we're going to take an S pattern on our trusses and just apply it down on the truss before the guys will come down and put the sheets down. With the actual OSB or plywood sheets that are going down. Now, the next thing that we use, and this is, let me show you the tool. This is called, it's a Quick Dry by Simpson, and this one has a Makita gun on it, and it allows you to run screws into the floor. So you can see this has a nice extension on it. They have ones now like DeWalt and all that have no batteries. This is almost brand new, but it has the cord on it. But this allows you to take the screws, it feeds screws through it, and you just go down like this and just go all the way. You're just going to run this in and put all your screws into the subfloor. It's super fast and allows it, the nail, you're not getting squeaky nails that are backing out. And the screw that's used for this, I'm going to show you a picture of it, but this one's the Strong Drive by Simpson, WSV subfloor screw. This one's 2 inches for a 3/4 inch deck, number 9. And this is what it looks like. So it comes in something similar like a nail gun, but it's going to feed right through. And you run that thing in here just like this. You just push these in like that. And as you run those screws, it just goes right through. And you put these in a pouch on your bags as you're running through, and just start running this out all the way through on your edges and down your field, in the field on these sheets. And it makes for a good floor. You just don't get near the squeaks that you would get if you were going through, you were just nailing it, maybe with a ring shank nail and no glue, and you get a good product in the end. So it saves a lot of callbacks coming back or just some annoying squeaks as the home gets a little bit older and it starts to move a little bit and you get a little bit of noise. So, all right, so that's a little tip on making sure you glue it and screw it and eliminate the squeaks on your subfloor. So if you'd like more information on building a custom home, custom made to you, or a whole house remodel, you can visit our website at freemansconstruction.com. If you need help buying or selling your home or land, visit our real estate company's website at freemansrealty.com. Thanks again for watching.